Hey guys, welcome to the LeGrand 2372. They chose the musket brown 2-panel shutters on the exterior with our 4x4 shiplap included siding in the colored clay. Let's take a look inside. Walking into the open concept of the living space, you have your living room, your dining, and your kitchen. And the floor that they chose is a Jamestown Hickory LV key. All right, now we're in the heart of the home, the kitchen. This client chose our natural maple 5-piece shaker cabinetry, and they upgraded to the evergreen fall, which is the painted option for the island. Mineral jet countertops, the Formica countertops. And then they also upgraded their sink fixture to be also matching the gold. Island has a lot of great storage. Lots of cabinetry. Has a ledge on it for bar seating. And we have this great pantry. Walking into utility space from the kitchen, you have another entry from your garage here into the home. And then they chose the natural maple for extra storage and cabinetry in their washer and dryer hookup here. Also a half bath. They have the Formica slate imperial marble. Let's check out the master suite. This is the antique carpet. And look at this master closet. In the bathroom, they have the free standing tub. And they chose also to upgrade their shower to a ceramic tile shower in our Lenore gray stone. We have Formica smoke quartz stone. And then they went with our black cabinetry here. So upstairs here on the second floor, they have a loft, which is a great space for extra seating, playroom for littles. Over here we have their main bath. We have the natural maple cabinetry and the slate imperial marble Formica counters. And the included fiberglass surround tub shower combo. And here we have a nice spacious linen closet, 3-tiered linen. Here we have bedroom number 1. And look at this walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2. Again, you gotta check out the closet. And bedroom number 3. I wanted a closet like that growing up.